involve science.
Here they show WGNO's Kenny Lopez an experiment for the 4th that really pops.
To celebrate 4th of July, we're here at STEM NOLA at their virtual studio where we're going to make fireworks. But you all know the saying, if you play with fire, you're going to get burned. So we don't want to get burned, but we do want to play. So we're playing with
chemistry.
Devin Floyd is STEM NOLA's senior program coordinator, while 10-year-old Emmeline Rosenbach is one of their kid scientists.
Today we're making fizzy fireworks, and all you need is a film canister, an antacid tablet, and some water. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your water and fill your film canister a third of the way. And then you're going to take your antacid tablet. Make sure to back up when you put your antacid tablet in, you close the lid. So when you put your antacid tablet in, you're going to quickly make sure it's sealed and then flip it upside down and back up.
And wait.
The antacid tablet makes a gas, and when the gas is mixed with water, it makes it pop.
Whoa!
And so the pressure from that builds up so much in the canister, it has nowhere to go but pop up.
Boom.
Yeah! Let's see that again, but this time with food coloring and in slow motion. You all ready for the grand finale, the big fizzy fireworks show? Let's do it again.
Okay.
And again. And again. And again.
Yeah.
Kenny Lopez, WGNO News.
At the top